Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create a business video frame using pixel aspect ratio in Photoshop. A business video opens and something feels uncomfortable, not obvious but noticeable. The reason hides inside proportions. Pixel aspect ratio brings clarity. The frame is corrected slowly. Human faces regain realism. Product edges stop stretching. A quiet pause confirms balance. Business communication depends on trust, and trust begins visually. Text overlays are checked carefully. No squeezing, no widening. The video now feels stable. This correction protects